equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on upgrading your Dell Inspiron 3501P90F. Today, we'll focus on installing a new disk and performing some crucial maintenance tasks. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any damage. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's essential to ensure that there's no residual power. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial for your safety. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, keeping track of your screws is vital to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. If you find it challenging, don't hesitate to reach out for help. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional assistance. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive bay. Depending on your model, you may need to remove additional screws to access the hard drive. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Once you have access to the hard drive, carefully disconnect it from the SATA connector. If you're replacing the drive, take your new disk and connect it to the SATA connector. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Now, it's time to secure the new disk in place. If your new disk came with screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to fasten it. If not, ensure it fits snugly in the bay. After securing the disk, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This maintenance step can significantly improve your laptop's performance. Before reassembling your laptop, double-check that everything is connected properly. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind before proceeding. Now, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop. If everything is working correctly, you should see your new disk recognized by the system. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully installed a new disk and performed maintenance on your Dell Inspiron 3501P90F. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your laptop and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.